Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A13 and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps on this device. First of all, you need to access Play Store, click on the search bar and download your new default app. In my case, it will be Opera mini browser. You don't have to open it, just wait for it to download and click on Home button. Now you need to go into device settings. Scroll down and tap on apps. Then choose default apps and click on one of those sections. I want to change my browser, so I have to click on browser app section, tap on my Opera and simply go back. As you can see, default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!